What's up, guys? So you probably realised I haven't been uploading much. Just a slight change in the program. I've got written the Volvo, and I have a surprise for you. Same plan, stand with this, the mystery car, as well as the Volvo, so we're just modding it, but this, much better platform, rear wheel drive, inline 6, sorry, yeah, I think that's enough really, although it does have an open diff, so can't have too much fun on the road, I guess. Although hopefully in time that will change. Not sure if it'll be welded or LSD. I don't know, but I'll keep you tuned on the diff situation. And with the mod, so to speak, I've already have some wheels on ideas, and it's gonna look pretty fucking sick, not gonna lie. But yeah, if you guys think you know what it is by now, inline 6, rear wheel drive, it's 2000 model. If you think you know what it is, let me know down below. But I'm gonna fucking finish my sushi. If any of the bros out there like sushi, fucking love salmon sushi. Have a look at that. Yes. Let me know. Fucking amazing. Anyway, I'll eat this. Probably like 30 seconds, not even, like 2 seconds for you. I'm gonna eat this, and then mystery unveiled. But let me know if you know what car I have before, no cheating, before I show you. And yeah, pat on the back to you if you do. Anyway, show you in a second. The fucking struggles of dropping shit down the side of the seat. Okay. Oh, fucking camera shit. Yeah, fucking painful, mate. Absolutely painful. Basically, in the depths of hell. That's what I say. On a lighter note, Freddy Bird. Yeah. Ah. Now, bros, you're probably wondering, bro, why'd you get rid of the Volvo? Get fucking front wheel drive, man. No, you can't have that. I mean, yeah, it was a good car, but that one right behind me, much better. So, in case you're wondering if it was a BMW E46, well, you know what? You'd be right. You'd be right. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. It's nice, hey? Yeah. Yeah, hey. Yeah, it's not bad. I mean, it does the trick. 325i. It's not bad. But, there's one thing that's wrong with it. Just one thing. That is what I like to call hepatitis B. Now, don't get me wrong, they've got brand new tyres on them, so can't be too upset, but they just look bloody ugly. I mean, that's my only gripe with this. I mean, it's nice. Already got new headlights. install coming soon. And new tail lights, but definitely 100% getting rid of this bumper. Don't look at that. Living the life. But no, it's good. It's nice. Yeah, so change plans. Now, you guys give me ideas what to do to this baby, because I mean it's basically brand new. Not considering its age, it's basically brand new, and yeah, it's too slow. So gotta get this baby up there. But yeah, no, it's good. Anyway, give me some ideas, and I mean, I know what I want to do. I want to do new wheels, coilovers. Well, by coilovers I mean lowering it. Probably maybe coilovers. Not really aware of what you can do to the engine. I mean, I've heard things about you can supercharge it, but I don't know if that's completely true. Probably cold air intake. I'll show you. Come with me. There she blows. Pretty nice looking. Yes. Gotta get rid of this. That's no good. It's no good. El bueno. And yeah, so it's an inline 6, 2.5 litre. I mean, that's it, man. So yeah, I don't really know what else to tell you. Let's jump in. I mean, have a sip of the Monster. Yeah, I mean, give me some ideas of, I mean, they're pretty common cars because their reputation of being pretty good. So yeah, give me some ideas of what I could do besides like the obvious coilovers, wheels, all that stuff. But yeah, like I know all about that stuff, but I don't really know where to get it and what to get, what would be the best stuff to get, all that sort of stuff. So if you bros out there know anything, comment down below. I'll be sure to read them. And yeah, can't wait to start modding this baby. Yeah, so if you like what you see, you want to keep in on tap with the build, yeah, be sure to subscribe, like the video if you liked it. If you didn't like it, well, like it anyway. And yeah, be sure to stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching, guys. Ciao.